Hi, welcome to 7echno, the hub for social music experience. Hi, I'm Marcello, I'm the owner of the project. Today I will share everything you need to know related to this idea, from the target audience, the business model, the console prototype, and we will talk about also the streaming platform. So, what is 7echno? 7echno aims to provide a social hub where friends can mix track, play music together, and learn about music technology. So the first three insights I can tell you is the first one is the live music stream. People can play together and utilize the same console to mix track, play sound, and add effect to the live music stream. So we want to gather around a group of people, 5-6 people, in a place, in a sitting area with a table, and inside, in the middle of the table there will be a console or modular prototype console where they can feature multiple things related with the music, from karaoke, mix track, or create music with a step sequencer, keyboard, all these such things. So everyone can interact with each other, and we will do all this by streaming, having a record streaming that will be published to the platforms, that's 7echno.com. So the second insight is related with the social game activity. So in the location will be different kind of games you can purchase by contactless translation, and you can play like it happened in Lane 7 or Game State. So it's very popular in this period. They have this kind of interaction games for activities and socialize together. And the third insight is related with the museum. So we want to create a museum of technology specifically for music technology and electronic music. So we want to show poster images or even equipment in the walls or in the hall, where we showcase all the new technology with the tele specification. So I come up with some idea related with the target audience that I showcase here. So in this case, the target persona include anyone who is passionate about electronic music and the surrounding technology. For example, in this case, there are 5 people that are sitting around a table, and in the middle there is a device with a screen that you can do multiple things. You can select a track you want to mix it, you can select a song you want to sing, for example, for karaoke, and there are a bunch of control around, for example, for the EQ parameters, slide the songs, add some effect, things like that. So anyone can interact with the performance of the music and have fun, basically. So we can go deep further, and for people that are more expertise, so other target persona could be include individual with experience in music production and DJ performance, like me, for example. I would prefer to create maybe with a step sequencer a sound and manipulate the sound, not just mix the songs. For example, I'm a producer, I like to do this. So in this case, 4 guys, they can play together and create a live performance. You know, like some kind of double back-to-back. This could be an idea. So what you see here is a kind of prototype of device. You have a sound system in the middle and the subwoofer in the bottom. So the music is coming from the table itself, and the people can dance around or engage from outside the table. Everything here is shareable. It's not a private room like happened in other places. So I have here a bunch of prototype that I come up with the idea. This one have a touch screen on top of the sound system, allow you to select a track, for example. This other one I have a step sequencer on the side, so always the music is coming from the center, and on the side you can create a different kind of performance pattern with a step sequencer. This ideally for me, that I'm a producer. This one is for keyboard, someone that like to play piano. They can create some kind of notes and record and go in loop, and even create a song as a live performance. We can also attach a microphone, you can sing at the same time. This other idea is created with modular components. So each section could have included a particular device from, I don't know, Ableton, from Korg, a native instrument, or Roland. You could even set up these things on the website. The idea probably is go reserve the table and decide what kind of instrument you would like to try during that day. So that is the idea behind. So in this slide I'm comparing feature among competitors. I'm talking about music, games, drinks, food, streaming and console. We're gonna touch all this section, and some of the competitor could be Horror Berlin. It's a very nice company. Allow basically you can rent a space. It's a room with some DJ equipment, and you start playing. At the same time, everything is recorded and gone on streaming into the Horror Berlin platform. Game state, for example, it's nice. This is probably more for families, but the idea is you enter, you play different kind of video games, and you also can purchase something to drink, of course. And Lane 7 also, this is probably the most closest competitor that I can see. There is some music that play around the location. There is a ton of games, and mostly of them are game that you socialize, you do in group, not just video game. I'm talking about bowling, dart, things like that, and of course you can purchase drink. So we want to do all this one, but on top of that we want to also do in a different way, so people are gathering around in an intimate way in the table and allow other people to listen the music they are producing. This is the idea. We want to stream the music they are doing, if they want to, of course. In any case, if they can do karaoke, they can mix track, they can produce songs, they can do a bunch of things. This is the idea. The business model, it's straightforward. We can sell food and beverage. They are served in the table, allow to the guests to order by the menu. This is the first revenue business model that I can see. The second one is related with the reservation. So the table, they allow this particular device to mix. They need to be reserved, and sometimes you want a specification what kind of device you want to reserve it. As I said previously, karaoke, you want to mix the songs, you want to do some production music, things like that. And the third one, of course, the social game. There will be a ton of social game you can do that, where you can start playing by the transition card, contactless, and that's it for the business model. This idea, it's in an early stage. I'm starting making contact and find the right partner to build this location, but ideally you have to be built here in Berlin. It's a great start. There is a lot of companies that are already have a great passion about the music. We are talking about Native Instruments, SoundCloud, Ableton. So yeah, this is the idea behind the project. I hope you like it. If you have any question, you can write me to the email. I also link it here down the description below, the link of the platform that at the moment online, 7echno.com. Currently it's a streaming platform dedicated for events, electronic music event. We showcase a lot of performance of DJ and mixes, but the goal will be to create a location where we can register the performance of the people that reserve the table. That is the goal. This is the goal of the project at the moment. So yeah, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.